So today, we will work on HTML and CSS. First, open my GitHub repository. I have shared this link in the description below. Click Code, then click Download Zip to download them on your computer. Once downloaded, open the project in the text editor. I'm using VS Code as a text editor. You will then find three files: index.html, script.js, and style.css. For this session, we will focus only on HTML and CSS. So open index.html and style.css. In index.html, I have already included style.css and script.js. Also, I have added a div with the class listDogs and added the title in s2 tag. In style.css, I have imported Roboto Google font and also use few CSS properties for the universal selector and the body element. Now let's get started. Let's add select a breed and a place for this drop-down. So open index.html. Just after the s2 tag, add a div with the class select breed. Inside this div, add a label select a breed. For the drop-down option, add a select tag and leave them empty. We will add option value dynamically from the API later. To add this image and the text, we will add another div with the class card. Again, let's leave it empty as well. We will show the image and text later from the API. To check the preview, right-click, click Open with Live Server, and it will automatically open in the browser. Now, let's work on the CSS and put everything in the middle. So copy this class, list dogs, open style.css and paste them at the end. Here, to put them in the middle, add margin 0 auto. Also add background as FFF, which is white, border radius 10 pixel, max width 500 pixel, and padding 20 pixel top and bottom, 40 pixel left and right. Check the preview and you should see some changes. Then let's style this s2 tag. Here, add font size 26 pixel, margin 20 pixel, padding 20 pixel, border bottom 1 pixel, solid. Check the preview. Everything looks good except the border. The border has gaps in the left and right, and it is because of the padding in the parent class. There are few ways to fix them, but I will use before pseudo element to fix them. Here, add empty content add the background, height, left minus 40 pixel, right minus 40 pixel, bottom 0 and position absolute. If we use position absolute, we need to add position relative in the parent. So add position relative in the S2 element. Check the preview and it looks good. Now let's style this label and the select drop-down. So in the label, add display block, font size 20 pixel, margin 00 20 pixel. Check the preview. Then in select, add width 100%, padding 15 pixel, margin 00 20 pixel, font size 18 pixel, and border radius 10 pixel. In the focus state, I want to remove the outline. So add outline none. Check the preview and this looks much better. To style this image and text, I will use a sample image for now. So in the new tab, search Lorem Images. Click the first link. Copy the link of this image. Open index.html. Then inside the card div, add img tag and paste the link in the src attribute. I will increase the image size to 300. Let me also add the text in the p tag. Click to view more dogs. Check the preview and we can see image and text. If we look at the design, the content is in the center. So in the card, add text align center. Also in the img tag, add border radius 10 pixel, add the border, margin bottom of 20 pixel, width 100%, height 300 pixel, vertical align top, and object fit cover. Check the preview. Now, design-wise, it is looking exactly the same, except there is more spacing after the label. So let me decrease the value of margin bottom from 20 to 10. If you check them again, it is same. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will write a basic fetch. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.